Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can embed Canva website in WordPress. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to like edit your website here or your template, and after you are done, then I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed the website or template in your WordPress. Okay, so I'm going to search here for websites so that I can choose one of these templates that are available for free here or on Canva. And I'm going to go, for example, you can also create a blank website if you want. I'm going to go with this template and I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so after you are here, guys, after you are done with the template, after you have added all the information that you want to display on your WordPress website, then you want to click on this share button here in the top right, as you can see, and you want to click here, it says see all. Okay, so after, guys, you click on see all, you want to click on here, it says embed, and you want to click on embed, and you want to click on copy HTML code. Okay, so after you copy the code, then you want to go to your WordPress. Okay, that's what you need to do. Go to your WordPress website. Okay, so after that you want to click here, it says posts. Okay, you want to click on posts, and then you can either add it to a previous post here, or you can click on add a new post. Okay, so after, guys, you click on add a new post, then you will be able to embed the Canva website into your Wix. Okay, so let's say that I want to embed the template here or the website here. You just need to click anywhere in the screen, and you want to click on this plus button here that says add block. Okay, now after that you want to then choose here, search here for embed. Okay, and here you want to then paste the code here. Now I'm going to right click and you want to paste the code. Click on embed. It seems like it's a please. Okay, so it seems like it's not the same, so I'm going to, if it doesn't work, guys, then you just need to go back and you want to click on share in the top right, and instead of clicking on instead of copying the HTML embed code, you want to copy the smart embed code. Okay, you want to click on copy, and after that you want to go to your website, your WordPress website. You want to do the same steps, just click on this plus button and you want to click on embed. Okay, and here you want to paste that code here and then click on embed. And as you can see, we have successfully pasted the template here on our WordPress website. Okay, make sure you click on publish here in the top right so that you can save your changes. Okay, now after that you can also, for example, if you don't know this, if you make any change to this template, it's going to affect the template on your Wix. Okay, so anything you change here, you don't have to do it manually again. Like if you change the name, it will change also on your WordPress website. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial.